Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a little vlog and I'm really excited because I haven't vlogged in such a long time, so I'm excited to bring you along. Currently 12:45. I'm about to make some lunch. This is what we're eating today. These are so good. They're the Mikey's gluten-free, dairy-free, like Hot Pockets basically, and they're so good. I'm just super hungry and I don't really feel like making anything, so we're gonna eat that today and I'll probably make myself dinner. I have been working since 9 a.m. this morning, so I'm gonna take a little break and we're gonna open up the package together. This is from aybl. Let's go sit over here. I don't know if this lighting's better. It's a little bit weird. I bought some stuff from the sale from aybl. I don't know if that's how you say it, but I'm really excited because I really wanted some workout stuff just to have. They were having a 50% off sale, so that's really why I bought it. But beside that, I'm very excited because I just feel like buying new workout stuff just makes you feel more motivated to actually go to the gym, and I haven't been to the gym in a week, so I hope this motivates me. First thing I got is this long sleeve cropped top. This is so cute. I'm excited to try that on because I feel like I needed a good black top that wasn't a sports bra, because I normally just wear like a sports bra and biker shorts to the gym, so I wanted something that was long sleeve or short sleeve, but they didn't have any short sleeves I like, so I'm excited for that. And then I got these biker, I don't even know if they're biker shorts. These are so cute. This is like a really pretty gray color. I only wear Set Active and I sometimes wear like Beyond Yoga, so I kind of wanted to branch out into this brand because I've heard about it and I'm excited. And then I got these shorts. Oh, these are interesting material. They're more like compression. These look tiny. These are the matching biker shorts or just shorts to this top. I'm gonna go try this on. I'm excited. I'm gonna make myself go to the gym tomorrow. Here's the first set. I definitely could have got a size small on the top because I feel like it's pretty tight and I didn't realize how tight this material was gonna be, but honestly, if you want to be like sucked in while doing your workout, like this is good. Yeah, it's really cute though. I like it. And here are the second pair of shorts that I got, and I don't know, they're not like super flattering, but they are cute for like athleisure. So comparing the two, I really like my Set Active Luxe Form shorts compared to these aybl ones because I think the aybl ones just like scrunch up kind of weird. These are the Luxe Form ones and it's like a softer, thicker material, and these ones are definitely like a thinner material. They're still comfy, but you just gotta be careful wearing them. So yeah, that's everything I got. As you can see, they're already like scrunching up here, which is gonna bug me. So today's Tuesday. I am obviously home. Earlier today I had school. I went to school at 7:30 in the morning and then I got home at 3. So it's been a really long day for me, just of doing homework and projects and class and everything. I got home and I ate some wahoos and it was so good. I also went to Ulta while I was waiting for my wahoos, so I'm going to show you guys what I got because I only got a couple of things. But this video is literally just me like unboxing stuff because I have so many packages and stuff coming. I'm an intern at e.l.f. Cosmetics, so they sent me some things and I'm just really excited to see what they sent me because every time they come out with stuff, I'm so excited, like genuinely, because I think they just have really good products and they're vegan, so I love e.l.f. First we have the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, and I have been wanting to try this so badly. And then we got, okay, this is their new collection. Personally, I'm not a Dunkin' girl. I'm definitely more of a Starbucks matcha girl. They came out with an e.l.f. and Dunkin' collection, which is literally so cute. I'm obsessed. I went into Ulta today and I saw it and I was like so tempted to buy it, but I was like, I think they're gonna send me some. They sent over the eyeshadows. The eyeshadows are literally so pretty. And then they sent over the coffee lip scrub, which is like the most popular thing we're selling right now. And these are also really popular. These are the Glaze for Days lip gloss set. Little keychains. They're so cute. I am obsessed with the packaging. I think that's what really does it for me, is the packaging of everything is just so thought out and well done. Like, I'm obsessed. Also in the collection is the Don't Forget putty primer, which is so cute. And then we have this huge makeup sponge. I am obsessed with the packaging, guys. This is available at Ulta online and in stores, and also on e.l.f.'s website. Get this collection because it's limited edition and it's so cute. And then we got the e.l.f. Pure Skin collection, and this is so cute. I've actually really been wanting to try the Pure Skin collection because I love skincare and just anything that's like very simple and easy to use. So they sent over the cleanser, the toner, and also the moisturizer. They're all so cute. I love e.l.f. so much. I definitely recommend it if you guys can enter in there. So I just got back from Sprouts. I am the worst at vlogging in public, especially by myself, so I'm always scared to vlog, and I wanted to go in super quick. Okay, Rocky, why are you crying? I went to Sprouts really quick just to get a couple things because I haven't eaten at all today, and it's 1 p.m. and I just needed a couple things so I could actually make food. So we got some bananas. I got this huge thing of strawberries because I really needed these for my oatmeal. I also got the best granola, these chips. So good. And then I got this milk, and then I got some more Bonza pasta because this is my favorite pasta. And then we got some frozen stuff. These are really good for like a quick meal. Rice and beans, so yummy. And then we also got these. I think I showed you I had one yesterday or the day before. These are really good. Also got these. These are really good too. They're like tater tots but sweet potatoes. I'm obsessed with those. I spent $50 and I didn't get too many things, which is kind of crazy. I got just eggs scramble, which is really good. Like the texture of eggs, but you don't like the flavor. You like this. This looked really good. We're gonna try this mango lemonade. Yeah, that's everything I got, so we're gonna put it away now. So this is our fridge. It's pretty messy. So I'm gonna organize it a little bit just to make it look better, and so it's like easier to find stuff. And then we're gonna do a little restock on my favorite drinks ever. These are my favorite. They're from a press. They are plant-based. They have electrolytes. They're vegan, gluten-free, like literally so good. Such good ingredients. I drank them a ton before I became an ambassador, but I literally can't tell you enough. Like, I'm obsessed with these drinks that my family just keeps on buying them, and I will literally drink one every single day because they're so good. This is honestly the best drink I've ever had. Like protein, hydration kind of drink. Like, it's perfect. So definitely recommend trying them out. Like, how cute is that? I love them. This is after I threw away everything that was old and just organized a little bit, but there's still a couple things I could probably, you know, fix. But my favorite drawers are the top two because those ones are just so cute. I'm gonna eat something now because I am so hungry.